Hey guys, I'm Nikki the Creator, your favorite manifestation coach, making manifestation super simple for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the free link down below for free affirmations with an assortment of affirmations to boost your life, whatever you want to do. Just click it, it's free. Today we're going to be talking about how I manifested money out of the blue. And I'm going to tell you exactly what method I use. I'm going to tell you exactly what affirmations I use. But this story is not more so to talk about the money that I manifested, but it's more so to talk about how I felt during this process. And I want to show you guys that there's always movement. All right, so I've reworked my money mindset where I don't have to work hard for money. Money flows to me naturally, easily, but I've never really manifested money out of the blue. And a situation came up where I really wanted to test my power, one, but two, get money out of the blue for a certain situation. And so I already know what works. It's just an assumption that you're trying to create. So I just picked the affirmations, and these are the affirmations that I use. I said that I'm a money magnet, that I'm a magnet for large sums of money, that money flows to me easily, effortlessly, and that money comes to me out of the blue. Large sums of money comes to me out of the blue. And I repeated these affirmations. I'm a looper, so I usually was saying it throughout the day sporadically with a mix of my other affirmations. I would say it when I woke up, sometimes going to bed. Sometimes going to bed, I didn't do it because I would do other affirmations that I wanted more, that I wanted to see changes in more. And I literally embodied somebody that had money. And so that's all I did, guys. I didn't journal about it. I didn't visualize. If you are a visualizer, once again, do that. If you are a journaler, do that. Techniques are meant to help you get into the state of that wish fulfilled easier. I don't need all that. I just need to affirm it, loop it. This is the method that I use. Also, I also have this assumption that money is easy to be made, but I also believe that I'm a master manifester. I also believe that I manifest instantly. And I also made a rule in my world that all my manifestations come within 24 hours. Okay. So with all of that being said, the situation came up and I said, all right, well, I'm not going to let the situation scare me, because if you know my previous video, I'll link it up above. I said, circumstances do not matter. So because I understand that circumstances do not matter, all I knew that I had to do was to shift my perspective from the circumstance into what I wanted. So I literally sat down, picked those affirmations, and let's say it was a Monday, because it happened in a week, but to me, I thought it was 2 weeks. And this is where the there's always movement comes into play. So let's say I started the affirmations on a Monday. By the Thursday, my mother called me. And she said, because I don't live with my parents, she said, oh, hey, there is an official letter here for you. You should probably come and pick it up because it's sealed and all of that stuff. It looks very official. So me being lazy, not wanting to drive to her house because it's about 30 minutes away, I said, all right, I'll come pick it up, Ma. And I went back to focusing on my life. And there's something to note here, guys. I'm very calm during this time. I wasn't checking my bank account. I wasn't overly checking my bank account, I'll say, because there were times that I did check my bank account for other reasons. I didn't overly check my bank account. When it came down to me having to go grocery shopping, I didn't stress like, oh my God, I can't get this, I just really lived freely. I did not spend unwisely, but at the same time, I didn't stop myself from getting things that I needed. So for example, there was some hair products, some body products, some things that I needed, and it could have waited, but I said, no, I deserve to give to myself. I'm my greatest investment. I am the best investment. So I invested that money into myself. I did not overthink how the money was going to come. I didn't go like, oh my God, is it going to come through my job? Is it going to come through somebody handing it to me? Am I going to find it on the ground? I didn't try to think about that. Also, it's very draining to do all of that. I just really said my affirmations and just said to myself, I know that I'm so powerful, and you guys are too. And this is to help you step into your power. I know that I'm so powerful that I'm like, this has to unfold one way or the other. I don't give a fuck how long it takes, but I don't want it to take long. So come within 24 hours. Remember, my mom called me the Thursday. I started the Monday. Push forward. I didn't go that first week. The second week, I'm not panicking. I'm not panicking. There were moments that I had the like, okay, I need that money for something. But anytime it started to arise, I literally sat down if I could. If I didn't, I just paused and I just said, if I'm the operant power, and if I'm a master manifester, and if I trust myself, and if I believe that I'm powerful, then that means that I always get what I want. And if I'm saying that my manifestations come within 24 hours or that it comes instantly, then it's here. And I'm not going to believe anything else. And I'm not going to let anybody change my mind. I basically talked to that fear that tried to come up. I talked to it like it was a child. All right, guys. So just imagine a parent and a child. A child is crying and a parent goes to the child and is like, everything is going to be okay. You got this. You're beautiful. You're strong. You're smart. You're capable. You're unstoppable. That's how I spoke to myself, but I got specific with it. And if being specific gets you anxious, you can go into general affirmations like, everything has always been perfect for me. Everything always works out perfectly for me. I'm loved. I'm wanted. Amazing things happen to me. I'm an amazing person. Life is rigged in my favor. Why am I so lucky? I'm the luckiest person in the world. You could go general, right? And so by the second week now it's the next Wednesday, right? And my sister decided that she was going to stop by our parents' house. She's like, is there anything for you that you want me to pick up? I'm like, whatever mom gives you, just bring it forth. Totally forgetting that my mom had the letter. I just said, whatever packages you have there for me, send them, bring them. Didn't care. Once again, I'm not connecting that I'm manifesting money out of the blue, that it's going to be a letter sent to my parents' house. So my sister comes in and it's an official FedEx paper, which I'll show you guys. And when I opened it up, my sister happened to be there. She was like, did you just receive a check in the mail? She's like, did I just experience that real time? That was a fun moment. But when I opened up the letter, it was a check in the mail. And it was a check in the mail from some company that I totally forgot about that had owed me money for something that I did. So months ago, like I'm talking about winter time, it's now summer, guys, winter. I totally forgot about that company. I wasn't even like, I know some people would have been like, oh, if a company owed me money, I'm running. I literally just forgot about them because I just didn't care. And whatever money was owed to me, which was over $3,000, guys, I got that money. And I will show proof. I'll block out whatever I need to block out. I just want to show you guys that these things are possible and that there's no logic in manifestation, that you can have whatever you want. And technically, I did get it within a week, but because I was too lazy to go to my mom's house, I got it in 2 weeks. All right, guys. So that let me know that 1, there's always movement. 2, it doesn't matter what you're doing. Because I didn't go doesn't mean that I'm not going to get it. It still found its way to me, no matter how I was going to get that money. And 3, that you just have to just believe in your power. All right. Choose the affirmations that are natural to you. I will say that when I did say my affirmations, I did not say them formally like, oh, I'm a money magnet. I speak how I would speak to my girlfriends or my friends. I'm like, yo, I'm a money magnet. And everywhere that I go, I attract money. Money is so attractive to me. I get money out of the blue. I get large sums of money out of the blue. Large sums of money is always flowing to me. It's natural for large sums of money to come to me. That's how I would talk, because that's how I talk in real life. That's how I talk in real life. And so my subconscious is registering that okay, this is, and for the entirety of that week into 2 weeks, I will say, because I didn't receive it to the 2 weeks. So in the entirety of that 2 weeks, I did loop my affirmations, but I didn't force it. So if I thought about money, if I was going shopping or if I was going for groceries, I was just like, yo, I'm a money magnet. If I had to get gas, I'm like, I'm a money magnet. I attract money everywhere that I go. Everything always works out for me. This is my world. I make the rules, and I'm saying that money flows to me out of the blue because I wanted to experience receiving money out of the blue. I'm already used to receiving large sums of money, but I wanted to experience it, receiving it out of the blue. And I received it. All right, guys. So that's how easy it was for me to manifest that. Now, if you do feel that you have a little bit of resistance in regards to money, even though there's no such things as blocks, I will say this, that I feel played a real important part in me manifesting, is that I try to always be in a very calm, neutral, loving state. That does not mean that you can't manifest feeling like, anxious, because you can affirm through it. But I will say that I made sure that I was feeling relaxed. I was feeling like it was natural. I was feeling like, yeah, money is my birthright. I deserve to have money. I look like a money girl. I kind of stepped into a character that is me, but I stepped into that. And the money has no choice but to flow to that, because it's like, who's saying that they're a money character? Let me come to you. You guys remember Oprah? And she gave out all those cards. She's like, a card for you, and for you, and for you, and for you. Literally, that's how your desires act when you have a desire. I deserve that desire. I have that desire. I'm worth that desire. So your desire is like, all right, for you, for you, for you, for you. Literally, just step into it. Like, stop being scared. I'm not even trying to talk to you guys crazy, but stop being scared. Step into it. You want that life, then it's yours. Stop being afraid of your dream life. I also really affirm that my business supports my dream lifestyle without, you know, me head cracking people for money. Like, that's not my character, but I literally step into that character. Like, oh yeah, money is my birthright. I make money. I don't brag about it to other people. This is what I'm saying in my head. And so I started to, as I said those affirmations, I just kind of put myself into that attitude. Like, I declared it. You guys know that video I did. Stop begging and start declaring. I didn't go, oh, I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. No, I'm a money magnet. Money is attracted to me. I'm so attractive to money. Money flows to me effortlessly. People just hand me money. I'm spoiled everywhere that I go. All right, guys? Make it easy for yourself. Money is easy to be manifested. All right? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Nikki the Creator, and I will be back.